All you gotta do is believe.
What up, everybody? It's Coach Miana DK checking in once again, and today I am showing you my version of apple cinnamon infused sea moss. So it's going to be an edible sea moss gel that tastes like applesauce, if it goes the way I think it's going to go in my head. But you all are going to see what it tastes. Either way, let's go.
So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my bit of sea moss, put it in the blender with about 1 cup of liquid or water, 4 dates, and some apples and cinnamon. And then I'm going to let it go. Now, it's important to let it go for a while because what you don't want are those chunks of whole sea moss in the midst of your gel, because then your texture is off. If you're anything like me, you're a texture person. I want it to taste like what it's supposed to taste like, and I want it to feel like what it's supposed to feel like in my mouth, okay? So it's important to me that I let it go so that it can really have that applesauce consistency. In the meantime, I'm gonna grab a silicone mold and start to add some of the sea moss that I've already created to the molds so that I can freeze it. That way I can pop it in a smoothie, or anytime I want to make one of those fruit bowls with yogurt, I can pop it in there. Or if I want to just grab one and give it to my dog in the summer, you know, they just become multi-purpose. That's very, very important. So now that we're done blending, I taste it for consistency and flavor, and I really, really like it. So let me go ahead and get it into the mason jar. And I mean, man,
Y'all, okay, so it's time to taste this one. This is the apple cinnamon with a little bit of key lime in there. This one, so good. It tastes just like applesauce. Say you got some applesauce and somebody hit you with a dash of like lemon juice or a dash of lime juice in your applesauce. It tastes amazing. Here's what I want you to do between now and the next time I drop another infused video. Let me know what your favorite one is. Go ahead and get down in the comments and let me know which one I should make next. And I'll go ahead and make it because I just might be in love. No, it's really, really good, okay? Until next time, I'm Miana DK. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share this with somebody who might need it. Share it on your social media. And I love y'all. I swear I do.
thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check me out at Thickness Fitness across all socials.